In this session, we are going to learn that how we can create a Google Meet account to use the Google Meet services in Google platform. In this video, we will see that how we can register ourselves in the G Suite official domain and how we can activate our Google Meet account. So let's go and see the further procedure to register your account on the Google Meet. As I explained you yesterday that Google Meet option is not visible in the normal Gmail account because Google Meet service is a paid service of the Google, but they are going to make it free for the users from the next week. So maybe hopefully by next week this service will be available in the local Gmail account. But for the time being, we will see that how a business organization can register their official domain on the G Suite. And in case if you are an individual user, you can also request from your company to issue you a G Suite user ID to use the Google Meet feature. So after opening the browser, let's come to the Google and write G Suite. So here I am going to write G Suite, and when you click on enter, you will see the G Suite account will be displayed in the front of you. Now we need to click on the second option, which is gsuite.google.in. When you click on this one, you will see you will be directly enter into the G Suite official website. And once you will be coming to the G Suite official website, it will show you all the products which is offered by the Google. So you will see here right now he's asking you for the free trial services, and if you will come to the pricing option, so you will see all the pricing of the G Suite is available, and it will show you that what are the plans available. So you will see that what services they are going to provide you in the paid services, that it is reflecting over here. So you will see that compare G Suite pricing plan, try it for 14 days, it is free, and they are offering three kind of the prices. One is the basic price, one is business price, and one is enterprise price. You can see that in the basic price they are offering you Gmail account, they are offering you Meet services, they are offering you chat services, they are offering you calendar services, they are offering you Drive of 30 GB cloud space, they are offering you docs, sheet, slide, form, sites, keep. They are offering you keep current and application script automated, integrated and extended with the G Suite. Apart from this, in the business and other services, they are offering you cloud search option also, which is not included in the basic plan. So apart from this, their security features are little different. And it is they are providing you the 24-hour into 7 support by phone, admin and security administration control, endpoint management. In the paid another business plan, they are providing you the wallet and endpoint management services, and there are which they are adding in their paid services. So according to your choice, you can use and you can try any of this plan for 14 days free of course. So let's start with the basic plan. So I'm going to start a basic plan trial. So let's go and start trial free. Click on this option, and when you will see, when you click on this option, computer will take you to the registration page of the G Suite. So this is the registration page. So you will see that it is mentioning that you are free for 14 days to use this software free of course, but Google is going to make this free for you. So soon, within 2 weeks, you will get this service directly in your Gmail account, but still you can register, and you can see that how a business organization can register themselves for the G Suite account. So first of all, system will ask you the business name. So let's say I'm entering my university name over there, Rana University, and after that he will ask you the number of employees including you. So let's say right now I'm just registering myself, so I say just you. Then country, I'm selecting India, or you can select the country where this university is located, or right now it is located in Afghanistan, but let me register for India. For let's go next, and you will see that when I will go to the country, now the first name they are asking for me. So first name I am writing here Pradeep, and let's next name is Sharma. Okay, let me come back and select the country zone of Afghanistan over here, because this domain belongs to Afghanistan, which I'm going to be enter next. So I will go here and I click on Afghanistan, and then I click on next. Okay, so now you will see that another message is coming in the back that your IP address suggested that you are in a different country. Once you sign up, you cannot be change your country. So simply I can register for let's try from India also. So I select India over here, and let's go next. so that there will be no issue came. So first name I said Pradeep, and right now next name is Sharma. I given now current email address. So current email address is that address which you want to, where you want to get the activation email. So let's say I'm writing on Rana University Kabul at gmail.com. It is my email ID. Next, click on next. So you will see once you click on the next, so he is asking that do you have a business domain. So you need to have a domain such as example.com to set up an email account or G Suite, or otherwise if you don't have, then click on no I need one. So then Google will display you the available Google domains. Otherwise if you have any official domain, so yes, so you can say yes I have. So I click on yes. So now my domain information is ru.edu.af. So I said this is my domain. So click on next button. So you will say that this domain has been registered and in the process of ownership verification. If you believe that the registration was unauthorized, sign up and troubleshooter to get your troubleshoot this issue. So earlier my domain was registered, so I am changing the domain once again. So I am writing apia@gmail.com. So let's go back next, and now in this here I am writing yes I have a domain already. So I am writing here apia.edu.af. It is another domain. Next, click on next. So you will see that if this domain is not be registered till now, so automatically your domain information is this. So he said the email sent to the apia.edu.af would not be affected until you will set up an email with this account. So click on the next button. So you will see now he's asking that what username you want to design. So let's say my username is pradeep@apia.edu.af. So I am giving one password also for login. So I am giving the password. So simply is asking that you are not a robot, please verify. So I am verifying this account information right now. So once you will see it is verified, then system will ask me to agree and continue. So now see it is agree and continue. So I click on the next. So you will see I click on never. Now you will see that soon we are coming to the next page. So you can see that he said the ready to use set up your business account. Right now I have got the account with the name of pradeep@apia.edu.af working with the Gmail with the walk through step, then go to setup. So when you click on the setup, you can see that this account is going for the setup process, and you will see that we are coming to this page. Now system is asking me that add your people to G Suite account. So we are not going to do this work. We are going to verify your domain and set up the Gmail. So then click on the start button. So if you want to add any person, you can add over here. Otherwise if you don't want to add, then simply you can, so I can add another person also if I want to add over here that Priya Kabul. So I will invite that IR at Abhiya. I can add this person also in this if you want to add this person also in this account. After adding the user, you can come back to your Gmail and simply log into that account which you have given in at the time of the registration. Simply click on the account and go to the Gmail, and you will see that you will receive a welcome email from the Google side. So I am going over here right now. So once I will be entering my account ir@apia@gmail.com, you will see there is a welcome email. Click on this email and you will see the complete information of your G Suite account is over here. Welcome to the G Suite. Your account name is pradeep@apia.edu.af. Domain is this one, and G subscription is basic, and trial end is on 16th of May. So it means the 14 days I can use. Now if you want to activate this account, simply click on the sign in button, and you will see that in the next page that you will automatically come to that particular section, and here system will ask you to which account you want to be. The system is asking me to add account, so I click on add and I will add my account. So you can see that I have added the account detail over here, and click on the next button, and you will see that when I will click on the next, system will ask me to enter the password. So I am going to enter the password and after the entering the password, when you click on next, then you will see that interface will be open in the front of. So you will see that G Suite is asking you to accept the domain, so you have to click on the accept button. So when you will click on the accept button, automatically one activation process will be started. You can see when you will enter the password, then system will ask you to you have to set up an admin console over here. So you will see that all the features and all the control panel will be display over here. And if I will go over here, then you will see that Google account information, Play Store, calendar, and other features are coming. But right now Google Meet is not coming because I have not verified the account. So once you verify the account, then only you will get the Google Meet option in this account. So simply you have to do is what you need to simply click on the shut up on admin console, and system will run a particular process of verifying the domain in which you want to connect to your Gmail account. So you will see soon that one verification process will be started. Now you can see system is asking you to G Suite setup wizard for a piha.edu.af. We need to verify this domain, otherwise G Suite option will not be activated. So let's go for the next button. So it is a just 5-minute process. Once you click on next button, then automatically system will conduct a verification process with the domain. So right now I am out of the Afghanistan, so right now this domain will not be able to use. So they said that before begin using the app services, we need to verify that your Piha account is genuine, and we know that the right to use this domain for the Google service. So I said begin verification. So you will see that once you will start the begin verification, then automatically system will give you one reflecting message that your account is verified or not. But right now it is failed because I am not available in that particular country where this account is registered. So that is the reason I am not able to register myself. But here if you have a genuine domain, then automatically this account will be registered, and when you will open after that you will get the Google Meet option in this calendar automatically, and you are able to use this feature later or by default in your official business account. So in case if you don't have any domain, you can request to your company to create a user for you in their registered domain, and they will provide you all the services of Google Meet. So I will show you my another account which is already registered and verified, where I will get the Gmeet services after this verification. So let me sign out from this and log into my another official account. So I come to the dashboard. I am going to enter the another official domain account here. You can see this is my another. So I am entering the password of my another official account over here, and I click the login button. So you can see that after successful entering the password, my interface is open, and right now my official ID is Pradeep at it.rana.edu.in. So now you can see that if I will come to this section, Google Apps, so you will find over here the chat option and meet option, which is you are not finding earlier in the system. So now these options are available over here, and we can get a jumbo board also for the usage. So I will explain you in the next session one by one how we can use this Google Meet option to conduct a particular meeting. And if you will see that if I click on the Meet option, then automatically this Google Meet interface will be open in my system, in my browser, and system will ask me to join a particular meeting or start a particular meeting. And if any meeting will be scheduled over here, then you will see that the meeting information will be displayed over here. But right now nothing is scheduled, so we will schedule the meeting in the next session, and we will see that how we can create a particular meeting for our students and for our clients to have a discussion. So keep watching and keep continue. So in this way we can register our particular official domain for the G Suite account. And in case if you don't have the official ID, so you can contact your company IT administrator. He will create a user for you, and he will assign you all the authority to use the G Suite account. So in the next session we are going to see that how we can use the calendar option to use the particular meeting in the G Suite. So keep watching and keep continuing.